Good afternoon. Welcome everyone to our special segment dedicated to exploring the world of computer network. Today we are privileged to host 4 distinguished network administrators, Gibson, Ruth, Geoffrey, and Lavins. To our guest, can you say hi to everyone?
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, thank you for that. Together, they bring a wealth of experience and expertise to the table. Let's dive into this exciting moment and listen to them. So first, let's talk to you, Gibson. Let's start with you. And as you tell us what initially sparked your interest in pursuing a career in computer networking.
Thank you for having me. My fascination with technology, particularly how information flows through interconnected systems, ignited my interest in computer networking. It's a dynamic field that constantly evolves, presenting new challenges and opportunities, which motivated me from the start.
Okay, thank you for that, Gibson. Let's go to you, Ruth. Ruth, as a seasoned network administrator, what are some of the common misconceptions people have about networking and network administration, and how would you address them?
Okay, so one of the common misconceptions is that network administrators only deal with fixing internet connectivity issues, while in reality, our role is much broader. We are responsible for designing, implementing, and maintaining complex network infrastructures that support various business operations. Additionally, we play a crucial role in ensuring network security, optimizing performance, and facilitating collaboration among users.
Oh, that's good information, Ruth. Let's go to you, Geoffrey. With the rise of cloud computing and virtualization, how do you see the role of network administrators evolving in the future?
Thank you. Cloud computing and virtualization have indeed transformed the way organizations manage their IT resources. As more services move to the cloud, as you know, and virtualized environments, network administrators will need to adapt by acquiring new skills in areas such as cloud networking, virtualization technologies, and software-defined networks, SDNs. Additionally, they will play a vital role in orchestrating and managing hybrid cloud environments, ensuring seamless connectivity and security across distributed infrastructures.
Okay, thank you. That seems like a lot of work, but it's good to know. So let's go to you, Lavins. In your experience, what are some of the effective strategies for troubleshooting network issues that you can do efficiently?
Okay, effective troubleshooting requires a systematic approach. Start by gathering information about the problem, such as when it occurred, who it's affecting, and any relevant changes to the network. Then, use diagnostic tools like network monitoring software to identify potential causes, such as network congestion, hardware failures, and misconfigured devices. Then, collaborating with colleagues and consulting documentation or online resources can also provide a valuable insight. Then, finally, implement a solution and verify that it resolves the issue without causing further disruption.
Oh, wow. Thank you for that. Let's get back to you, Gibson. As networks become increasingly complex, how do you ensure network security remains a top priority for you as a network administrator?
Well, network security is paramount in today's digital landscape, especially with the growing number of cyber threats. To ensure network security, we adopt a multi-layered approach that includes implementing robust firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and encryption protocols. Regular security audits and vulnerability assessments help identify and address potential weaknesses in our network infrastructure. Additionally, educating users about cybersecurity, best practices, and implementing access controls and user authentication mechanisms further enhance our security posture.
Oh, thank you for that, Gibson. Let's get back to you, Ruth. Could you share a memorable experience from your career that explains the importance of proactive network management?
Yeah, sure. Okay, early in my career, we experienced a network outage during a critical business operation due to a misconfiguration error. It was a wake-up call that highlighted the importance of proactive network management. Since then, we have implemented regular maintenance schedules, automated monitoring systems, and redundancy measures to prevent similar incidents. Proactive network management not only minimizes downtime but also improves overall network performance and reliability.
Thank you for that, Ruth. Let's get back to you, Geoffrey. With the increasing demand for remote work, how do you ensure secure and reliable connection for remote employees?
Remote work presents unique challenges for network administrators, particularly in terms of security and performance. To ensure secure and reliable connections for remote employees, we implement robust authentication mechanisms such as multi-factor authentication and virtual private networks, also known as VPNs. Network bandwidth management tools help optimize performance and prioritize critical applications for remote workers. Regular security updates, employee training on cybersecurity best practices, and ongoing monitoring of remote access activities further strengthen our remote work infrastructure. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Geoffrey.
You're welcome.
Let's go to you, Lavins. Reflecting on your career, what aspect of networking brings you the most satisfaction and why?
The most satisfying aspect of networking for me is the opportunity to solve complex problems and make a tangible impact on the efficiency and security of an organization's network infrastructure. Knowing that my efforts contribute to the smooth operation of critical systems and enable users to collaborate effectively brings me a sense of fulfillment. Networking is not just about connecting devices, it's about enabling innovation, driving productivity, and empowering businesses to achieve their goals.
Okay, thank you for that information from all of you. I'm glad to hear about your career. And now, as network administrators, what advice can you give anyone interested in venturing into network? Let's start with you, Geoffrey.
So I'll say it's a lucrative business, actually career, but you have to be dedicated because the world is a changing place and there's a lot of threats, especially as you've recently seen the FBI checking out on the botnets. The biggest botnet network being operated by free VPN offering services companies. So you have to be aware of the threats, but it's a good field, and you can start easily. Yeah, that's my advice.
Oh, it's good to hear your advice to any network administrator. Let's get to you, Lavins. What advice can you give anyone who is interested in venturing into networking?
Okay, thank you, Rose. I would advise the young ones who are coming up to take up the courses the certifications that are well-based in networking, and I would advise them also to come on board with various of the solutions that they may have. Yeah. Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm glad to hear that, Lavin. Thank you for sharing your invaluable insights and experiences. To you, Gibson, Ruth, Geoffrey, and Lavin, it's been a pleasure conversing with you today. Until next time, Keep navigating the networks with expertise and innovation.
Thank you too for hosting us. We appreciate it.
Welcome.
Thank you.
We look forward to another interview.
I'll be glad to host you again.
Thank you.